Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the real estate segment of Aaj by Dubai. Today we are going to introduce you to one of the oldest real estate companies in Dubai called Rocky Real Estate. And what could be the best time to bring this real estate company and their projects, because Expo is announced. So let me introduce you Roshan and Malaika from Rocky Real Estate. Roshan, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Kamran.
Malaika, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And firstly, congratulate, congrats for achieving Expo 2020.
Definitely.
I mean, a lot of excitement in the market, a lot of people. I mean, you must have seen the fireworks yesterday, and you must have seen the traffics were jam outside the roads and a lot of people celebrating. So what do you see? I mean, how do you see this market is changing?
Well, that's, first of all, again, I would like to congratulate you and the whole of Dubai.
Thank you.
It's a big achievement.
Yes, it is a big
for
achievement,
this country,
right?
And especially if you're talking about our industry, you know, it is just another step now towards success.
Yeah.
As far as Dubai winning the Expo 2020 bid, I see a tremendous growth in different sectors of business in Dubai.
Yeah.
And
not only real estate.
Not only real estate.
It's
massive because
boost, right?
yes, because as you are aware that Expo 2020 is the Expo itself. It's a very old event.
It is the largest event of the world, I believe.
Indeed, and actually, since Dubai came into the picture of Expo 2020 bid, and when I started doing some research and going through some books, so the first, if you remember, Kamran, that the first event which took place was in England in 1850, if I'm not wrong, and that's where the whole hype got it got into the picture, where people started putting into their inventions, and like the fax machine was invented, and slowly it moved on to US and to Belgium, and then it followed up. So I personally believe that that this is going to be a huge achievement for this nation.
Well, yes, I mean, with such a small history of this country and achieving this milestone, I mean, they have conveyed a message, clear message to the world.
Indeed.
That they are serious in the business.
Indeed.
Yeah, they're very serious in the business. And I must say congratulations to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed, because this is all his vision. And I mean, how a ruler can be sincere, more sincere to his country and his people. Amazing, amazing. I would like you to tell a little bit about your company, Rocky Real Estate. No need to give any kind of introduction. Rocky Real Estate, I mean, has decades of experience in this business, and I think diversified activities in the real estate industry. So you want to give some introduction to our viewers, those who doesn't know, but I doubt that there will be anyone who doesn't.
Actually, I'm very proud to be associated with Rocky Real Estate. I'm the head of sales and leasing for the freehold sector. Kamran, Rocky Real Estate is the oldest real estate company in UAE since 1976. So and the most important thing what we all need to know is that Rocky Real Estate is just not a real estate entity, but it's a group which actually started off with property management, and
Absolutely.
I can proudly tell.
I recall my early days in Dubai, when we used to see only Rocky in all the newspapers, and I mean, there was any property you see coming up in Dubai, we used to see a Rocky signage on it.
Correct.
And till date, they have maintained the same reputation.
Correct.
And they have invested very heavily in the real estate businesses, and quality products. I must say, quality products.
Definitely, because this is what is our base. This is what we believe in. Our chairman, Mr. Ashok Uttam Chandani, who started off this company in 1976, this was his vision. He wanted to make sure that our name goes with the brand and what services we offer. So I can proudly tell you that today that Rocky Group has more than 160 buildings in Dubai itself, which are under our umbrella, and further expanding, alhamdulillah, by time. Apart from that, Kamran, we are into hospitality industry. We own luxurious hotels in Mauritius. Plus, we've got a partnership with a hotel in Dubai itself as well. Where Rocky comes into picture today is that we provide A to Z services as far as anything to do with real estate is concerned.
Right.
Now that includes from buying a property to renting it out to property management and to investment consulting, because we have A to Z experience throughout.
I can definitely stamp it that Rocky is one umbrella which covers everything.